So what's up YouTube? Today we'll be replacing the speakers in these old boxes here. Got all tears in it and stuff. But we're going to be replacing the speaker because it has a really small one in it, I'm guessing. Because it sounds terrible. Today we'll be replacing them with this monster. Let's hear it before. So, I think it sounds pretty rubbish. Let's get opening it to replace it. So we'll take out the cables and get my screwdriver here and start unscrewing it. Let me just zoom in a bit so you can see it a bit better. Oh, that's a bit too far. There you go. And then we unscrew these. These are Panasonic speakers, by the way, if you were wondering. It's quite stiff, probably because I haven't opened it before. Right. Let's see if we can get this open. Make sure they're all unscrewed. Oh, they're all unscrewed. And we've got the speaker here. It's pretty small compared to this one. I think they're roughly the same size. I tried measuring from the outside, so I hope it fits. Let me just pull off these. Yeah, so some pretty thin cables, not too bad, but I think these match up pretty much perfectly. What a coincidence. That's cool. So I'm going to unscrew these. Ooh, my camera's going out of focus, let me refocus it. There we go. And then undo this one. So, got a pretty small speaker. This looks like the one I did in one of my other videos. I'll put it up here right now. But yeah, it looks like one out of one of my other speakers. But it's not. I wonder if the other one was Panasonic. Right, let's get to replacing this one. Let's see if it fits. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look, it perfectly fits. Let's see if connectors fit. They're a bit tight, but they fit pretty well, which is good. So, let's tighten it back up. Let's screw this back in. Oh, let's put it in that one. The other one was a 3 ohm. This one's an 8 ohm, but it doesn't really matter because look, it's just straight cables to the thing. So I can run it off an 8 ohm supply now instead of a 3 ohm, which is good. Because most household, fun fact if you didn't notice, but household speakers are usually 8 ohms. And the car speakers are 4 ohms. If you want to learn more about that, you might want to go to Google and have a check up on that. Get some more information. But yeah, fun fact of the day. Let me just tighten these back in. And we're going to shut this up. Make sure everything's connected. And we are going to stick the screws back in. screw doesn't want to go back in. And let's tighten them all up. Alright, where's the other screws gone? Let me just, oh yeah, they're in here already. Can't think today. Have I tightened all of them? And this one I don't think I have. So now let's try this one. Let's do a sound test. Let's do a sound test real quick. Let me just move these. Let's hope this works. If not, I think the connectors might be a bit off. Let's zoom out a bit, get a bit of focus. So I think that sounds pretty good. Better than the first time. And I'm just going to do a bit of magic quick. So I've made a second one. Well, I fixed the second one because I had two. Now I'm going to connect up my other speaker to my Bluetooth supply that I made. Let's connect that one up. Check, see if they both work. Let's do a sound test on both of them, shall we? That, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, put a little notification bell on, and see you next time, guys. Bye.